We are honoured to welcome our beloved principal, whose guidance and leadership inspire us every day. Let's give a warm welcome to Miss Simon. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers who dedicate themselves to educating children. Pop up the moment. Warm welcome to other teachers and staff. Let's blow up the candles. Let's blow out the candles together. Cheer up with students. Gift distribution to their loved ones. The way teacher makes students' day. Student smiles means a lot for teachers. Thank you, students.